Hey guys, my name is Dennis and today I'll be showing you a simple way to stretch your lower back. First up, get in front of a door frame. You're going to use it as a support. Let's do our right side first. Lift your right leg up, lean on the frame, and with the opposite arm, hold on to the frame. Lean back and turn your upper body to face the frame. Exhale and pull yourself up. Use your other arm to support on the other side of the frame. Use your left arm to pull and use your right arm to push, and this will give you a deep stretch. Exhale as you're stretching. Hold for a few seconds. Now onto the left side. This time, left leg up, right arm up above. Lean back, turn your body to face the frame. Exhale and lean forward, left arm to support. This time, pull with your right arm and push with your left arm to get the stretch. Exhale as you stretch. And hold for a few seconds. I hope that helped you out. It has helped me relieve so much stiffness off my lower back. And if you do like the video, please click the like and subscribe button below, and I'll come back to you with more simple exercises. My name is Dennis. I'll see you soon.